Hey everybody, I'm Jeff. Today I'm going to show you how to align a name to the margins in Microsoft Word. Aligning to the margins is important if you have any kind of important paper for college or an article for a newspaper. It's the standard formatting, so I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So here I have Microsoft Word open, and as you notice, it's going to align it automatically to the left. So if you just type in your name, which I did, Jeff Beam, and the class you're taking, I'm taking Psychology 501, and I put today's date, just all in a row, it's going to be on the left side, and it is automatically aligned. However, if your professor prefers the right side, then you're going to go up to this little button right here, and you're going to hit Align Text Right, and it will line it up right with that margin. And then to put it back, you'll want to go, a line or two down and put it back over. You'll probably put your title next, so you'll want to put it in the center. And then when you're ready to start typing in the body, you can go back to the left. And that's how you align your name on a margin in Microsoft Word. I'm Jeff. Thank you very much for watching.